and we've got some new arrivals. It's been busy. November has been crazy, so I don't know what's going on. I thought it might have been quieter. It's not, it's gone mad. So we've actually got quite a few vans that have come in, so we're gonna whiz through these. We're gonna dash through them, and then everything has literally just been thrown into place because we've had a lot of stuff just all arrive all at once. So first up is the Coachman VIP. It's a 2018, it's a 460, so it's a little two-berth. 1439 maximum and 1314 max empty weight. So nice, tidy little van, and this is going to go on at, oh blimey, that was an expensive one. The previously this was actually up at 17,995, and we're going to put this on at 15,995. So we're doing some crazy deals.
But it might go up in price.
After
the weekend.
December. So we're going to keep the prices like they are, but after December the price is going to probably go up, because obviously, even though November has been fantastic, December is normally really quiet, and I think November was just a fluke. So I think that sort of December's going to be quiet, so if we can just keep this ball rolling, obviously all the better. So 2018 VIP 460, a really clean, tidy van. Very nice specification, lots of room. It's not too heavy, so a lot of the Coachmans are quite heavy. So with that huge, I like that tap. I've not seen that tap before.
Oh no, I didn't actually notice the tap.
Yeah,
I just was
that tap before. I like that.
Oh, it's
I
different.
won't like it when it breaks and we have to repair it because it's not been drained down properly. So that's going to be one of our first things, is make sure that these are all drained down fully properly. It's got the domestic toilet as well. So it's a slightly better domestic toilet. We've got to just do a couple of repairs. The fly screen has just come out during travel, and it's the end caps that have basically allowed that to happen. So the little end caps of the blind bottom will be around somewhere, and if not, we'll just replace those. And this bar here, shall we do it now? Shall we just do it quickly so I can just show you what happens? I don't need the end caps right at the minute, but what's happened is that the end caps have come out and allowed that blind to move. So the one end cap is actually in place, but that end cap has come out, so it just allows the blind to move on that strip. So we can refit that in. We can then redo that, and then we can rejiggle it back over, and then it does just need that end cap putting in, otherwise that's going to happen again and it won't lock in place. So if you have an issue with your blinds doing a similar sort of a thing, just make sure your little end caps, and again what will normally give it away, a bit like that one again, the end on that one is out as well, and it won't catch in on one side. So it's not that you need a new blind or there's anything major, it's literally just need the new end caps putting in, and that will fix the issue. Nice big wardrobe on the side there as well. It's got the Elddis central heating. So we are just going to, the aim was to flick through these and whiz through them very quickly and show you them, show you our crazy deals that we've got happening. There is a leg down. Nice clean tidy van. It's got paint seal on that as well. So as I say, 15,995, and I'm hoping that I've not cocked the prices up here, because this is literally just a quick whiz through and a quick video, and I've literally just turned up. So maximum on this one, so this is a 2017 Elddis Affinity 574. It's 1450 kilos maximum, so it's a lightweight one. As I say, they've literally just come, they've all just arrived, they've all just come in.
Upholstery's nice in this. I like the colours.
Nice
really
colours
nice
in this. This is going to be 14,495. So I'd sort of said previously about getting good deals in this sort of winter period, and this is hopefully showing the sort of deals that you can get this time of year now. Really clean, tidy. I would say that these covers have been covered.
These covers have been covered.
Yeah, they've been covered. They're very clean, and I almost feel
that sort of suede feel, isn't it? That's dirty or worn.
Nice big sunroof in this one as well. So a really nice one. As I say, 1450 kilos. Got a big bike rack on the back as well. It's got external barbecue point, external 230-volt socket, huge bike rack, and that's I don't like bike racks. I don't like bike racks, but that's not too bad. It's got a bit more strength because it goes down underneath
yeah.
And onto the chassis, so it gives it a little bit more strength and support. Next one up is a Swift Challenger 570 SE. So this is the SE, so it's a slightly higher spec, and it's a, as I say, 2015, and it's going to be 13,995. Again, crazy prices. 1477 maximum, so maximum weight of 1477. Nice fixed bed, nice big kitchen area. I believe this has got the Elddis central heating, and I think that it has, because I can't see any blowers. Have we got a towel rail in the bathroom?
Yeah.
So yeah, got your Elddis central heating. So again, this is a lightweight van. Let me just check that weight again. 1477. Yeah. So that, with having the Elddis central heating, is a lightweight van. The SE was a slightly higher spec, as I say, and it's 2015. So I've got a feeling the walls were just on the changeover where Swift started to swap construction. Roof is still timber and floor will still be timber, but they just started to swap over with wall boardings and what have you on this year, and as they sort of got into about 2017, they went for pretty much woodless. But this is a bargain, to be fair, at 13,995 with all the spec, and again a good weight as well. So a really nice one. And then I wouldn't say saving the best till last, just the best layout in my opinion is that VIP 545. So this is a 2017. Look at the weights. A bit heavier, so 1700 kilos maximum. We've got external barbecue point, we've got an external 230-volt side locker into there. Let me just get the sales sheet out of this and just double check and compare our price to the other price that was on this. So this was up at 18,995 and this is down now at 17,995. So and again, that was the sale price as well. So I've really tried to do the best possible that I can on the prices, and again, just a nice layout. It has had a couple of mods I would say. They've put a 230-volt socket on the front there. It's got some USB sockets.
It looks alright though.
It doesn't look too bad.
Put horrible white plastic and that looks smart.
There's a couple of little marks. We can probably just touch those in, to be fair. Little bit on the top there. I think they've had something come through there, you know, they've sort of had some wires or something.
Yeah, it looks through perfectly round
and into this cupboard, yeah. So whether we can get a little bit better cap or colour that in just so it matches a little bit better, but generally it is a very nice van. Nice mirror on the
yeah, it's quite good, isn't
looks
it?
alright, yeah, it doesn't look terrible. And then pièce de résistance is that fixed bed at the back. So what we'll do is, I've got to apologise as well, because last week's video we had sound loss again. We've had an issue with our editing software, and for some reason when it processes it's lost some of the sound, so hopefully we fix that, and on Sunday we'll revisit the part of the sound that we lost, and I'll try and cover that in Sunday's video. That was on security, so that'll be coming up on Sunday. We'll have another look through in a bit more detail on these new ones that have come in. We have got another one that's just come in, but it's just a quick sort of Friday video just to show you the new ones that have come in, the prices. I think Isabel's going to try and do some Black Friday deal sort of thing, so we have tried to get the prices as best as we possibly can, and that has sort of shown with how busy we've been during November, and November's been really good. But I have heard from a couple of other dealers, more motorhomey to be fair, but they've said it's been quite good. And then what's interesting is from just a bit of sort of whispers. It's been quite quiet at the Elddis factory. They've not had much coming out of the new stuff, so I don't know. I think in general, from what I'd heard, was the NEC had been quite busy and really good on sales, but so far doesn't seem to have much coming out the Elddis factory. So I might be wrong on that, and it might just be that they're just a little bit behind on build or what it is, but apparently from what I've heard there's not much coming out of the factory at the moment. So we'll keep an eye on that. We'll keep an eye on that and see whether anything changes or progresses or anything happens in that sense of things. So if we hear anything, we'll keep you updated on that. But that's it for this week. Again, this has got the Aldi central heating, but we will do on Sunday's video a bit more of an in-depth look. This, as I say, was just a quick whisk through the new ones that are coming at the crazy prices. So look out for them on the website. Isabel's going to be doing some videos on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. And again, we've got our Christmas sort of getting close to the 1st of December, so look out for things happening on our Facebook page, because there's going to be some stupid things going on, hopefully give you a bit of a laugh. So we'll see you on Sunday. Thanks for watching on Mark at the Caravan Place, and we'll see you then.